Hello everyone, so welcome back again. And the topic for the day is a computer virus. So, what is a computer virus? A computer virus is a malicious software or program that can copy itself and spread from one computer to another computer. A computer virus often attaches itself to the files or program and runs when the infected files is opened or the program will be installed or file will be open in the system. Basically, so generally it activates by installing the softwares or opening the files. Now let's talk about what a computer virus can do. A computer virus can delete or corrupt your file in your computer. A computer virus can slow down your computer system, your laptop, your mobile phone. A computer virus can help to steal the information to the hackers or the threat actors. A computer virus can show the unwanted ads or messages on your screen of mobile phone or laptop or desktop. A computer virus can also allow the hackers or threat actor to gain access of your system. Now let's talk about the ways by which a computer virus can be spread out. Generally, the computer virus came in your system by downloading the infected file from the internet. So nowadays, people are downloading the softwares or files from the internet, especially the gamers are doing that. It is also possible that a virus can be came in your system by an email and you have downloaded the attachment coming from the email. It is also came from the unsafe websites over the internet. So there are so many malicious websites over the internet. So by which a virus can came in your system. It is also came from the hardware devices in peripherals like USB devices or portable hard disk if it will be infected. It is also came from installing the untrusted software downloaded from the untrusted websites. Now the question is that if a virus is in your computer system, how you can able to detect that? What are the sign of a virus? First of all, the computer or the laptop will be unusually slow. It may be possible that your computer, your laptop will be crashes and showing a blue screen over usage. It may be possible that your computer is showing the unexpected pop-ups on the screen. It may be possible that the programs opened in your system can be closed automatically. So how you can check that? You can go to the task manager. In that you can able to see what files are running, which softwares are running in my computer. So if a file is closing and opening, so it may be possible that that is having an issue. And also you have to check the CPU usage. So currently only one program Zoom meeting is using my CPU of the computer, other 0% usage. Okay, if the files stored in your system are showing a message just like this, that your computer can't able to open the shortcut of that file, it may be possible that you have downloaded a program and when you want to open the normal programs and it can't be opened. It is showing that kind of message that the shortcut of that program is not available on the desktop or home screen. Now the question is that the very most important question, that how you can protect your computer from a virus. First of all, you have to install and update the antivirus. Antivirus is really necessary. Second is keep Windows OS updated. So how you can update the window? Just go to the Windows and text here the Windows update and the pop-up will be open. The screen will be open here. My computer is checking the update. Well, my computer is already updated because I'm doing the regular update over here. So you can see that my laptop is up to date. You have to do the regular update of your computer system to save your system from the viruses. Now, let's talk about the suspicious link and attachment. If you ever get this kind of message that the link lead to an untrusted site, do you want to proceed or not? So never proceed over here. Sometimes if you have any antivirus like McAfee or the Avast, they also show that kind of pop-up when you visit any malicious site. So now the antivirus is also has same kind of option. Never ever download any software from the untrusted websites or the third party website. Always download the software from the trusted sites only. Do always backup of your computer system, your mobile phone, or your laptop. If the virus will be there, you can format your system and download the backup available on the cloud or any hardware device. So we were talking about the Windows update. Actually, there is a firewall also inbuilt in your system that is really much effective. Let me check the firewall, Windows Defender and firewall. If you go to this option, you should turn on the firewall defender. My defender, well, by default, the defender is turned on. You can able to see my domain profile, my private profile and public profile. On my each and every single profile, the firewall is working. Let me show you what is the benefit of this Windows firewall. Let me download a virus from the internet. So dear all, there is a website known as EICAR on which you can download an anti-malware test file. Basically, you can download a virus that is not harmful actually to your computer. So let me try to download that virus and let's see what will happen now. This is the website by which I can download a dummy virus. So let me try to download that. First of all, I will try to download a zip file. So when I will click over download, you can able to see that my system will automatically going to delete that. It is showing virus detected and it is deleted from my system. Now let me try to create the virus from my own. Okay. So this is my hash file. Let me copy this file and save this file into my system anywhere. Like on desktop, let me try to save and you can able to see that it is also removed automatically by my Windows firewall. It is showing removed instantly after that. So always turn on your Windows firewall as well as update your computer system regularly. Even the mobile phone also always update the security patches and the operating system for the latest one. So dear all, that's all for today. Have a nice day.